I'm with one of my favorite people in the world. Hi, Allyson Scott.
Hi, Miss Shiela.
How are you?
Good.
Awesome. Now, if you haven't heard, Allyson Scott is the daughter of April Scott, and she has 3 siblings, and they come to the library all the time. Thank you, Miss April, for bringing your children to the library and participating and making us have fun together. Now, Allyson, you've joined me on PRTC, Channel 57, with the Miss Sheila's World of Reading, and we had fun with that. Didn't you have fun with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you did a great job. Well, you've done other things outside of the library. I heard that you won the Savannah Valley Regional. So, could you tell us a little bit about that? You won it 2 years straight.
Miss Shiela, I gave you the sunflower, remember?
Oh yes, I remember that big sunflower.
I get tomatoes, gourds, potatoes, lettuce.
Wow.
4-H my garden.
Oh, so you had a project that fit in their requirements and your garden won. I love it. Well, boys and girls, she's a great model for being active in and outside of the library. So today she's going to help me make a carrot salad. Oh, wait a minute, something's missing. Oh, my hat. I can't cook without my hat, Allyson. And there it is. Okay, so to make a carrot salad, we need carrots, we need apples, we need raisins, we need pecans, and we need mayonnaise. Now, some people like to do pineapple. Can you hold that pineapple for them to see? Now, I'm not too much of a pineapple girl. We can do the pineapple for the sweetness of the carrot salad, or you can put a little sugar in there. And, you know, which would you like? Would you like to put the pineapple in or the sugar?
Sugar.
Well, Allyson has spoken. We're going to put a little sugar in. All right. So, Allyson, let's begin. Can you please, ma'am, hand me the carrots? We pre-did some of this, so you can grade the carrots. Now, children, you can't grade, so with your little allowance, ask mom to buy the graded carrots for you. Can you give me the other? Can you give me the other carrots too? There we go. And see, it's in a pre-done in a bag, and you can buy it already chopped. Yeah. Now, I usually grade it, and it doesn't take me but 15-20 minutes to do that. So it's kind of fun. I like it. I like spending time cooking. So now, what I usually do after I grate the carrot is put the mayonnaise in. Now, mayonnaise is very important for the moisture of your carrots. So here we go. We want to spread it in. This is like that.
That looks nice.
Nice indeed. So you don't want to put too much mayonnaise in, but you want to put enough to cover the carrots. Yeah. Are you a big mayonnaise fan?
Not that much.
Not that much? Okay. Now don't worry, you're going to get a chance to stir it in a minute, Allyson. Because I know you're itching to stir. Now I understand you cook too, don't you?
Yes,
what are some of the things you like to cook?
I cook apple pie.
Ooh!
I cook pumpkin pie.
Ooh!
And I cook a tomato pie.
Wow! Now who taught you how to do that?
Myself and my mom.
Or your mom. I just love it when the children say they themselves and help them cook it. Moms have to help them, or someone else, but you know, they always say themselves. I understand. But yeah, but you took the teaching from your mom, and you were able to make it with her assistance, right? Right. So, yeah, always give credit to the person who helps you do something, because you don't do it by yourself at first. I didn't know how to cook until I watched and helped cook it at home, and then I became better at it. Okay, so remember that. Now, the next thing you want to do is add your, now you notice I saturated or covered my carrots. You want to cover your carrots before you add anything else, because it's going to be hard to kind of add everything else, and I'd like to cover my carrots first, okay? Now, we do need apples. Now, you can take your time and peel an apple, take the skin off or the peeling off, and cut it up like we pre-did some, or you can buy it already sliced for you and just have to take the peeling off and slice it. And that might be a little easier for you, especially since you don't want to use a sharp knife. So Allyson, I'm going to take the peeling off and I'm going to ask you to show the boys and girls what we do. Take that off. See, we're peeling it off and show them how to cut that up.
So first you want to put the knife under and you want to put your thumb right here.
And cut. And you don't want these too big, okay? If you get them too big, people will be tasting the apples more than the carrots. And remember, it is a carrot salad. And another good point is when you're a good job. Now, we pre-did some so we can show you how to do it, and we're going, I'll get you to do that. Can you pour it in there? And then you can, there we go. And take your spoon, always take your spoon and break it in there. All right, but she has some gloves so she can take her hands to do it too. But it's a good thing. Let's close this up and let's get the craisins. Now, I particularly like craisins because craisins to me is sweeter. You can open it up and pour it in here. And that's how we're gonna do it. And these are good because they're already pre-packaged and it's easy. Okay? You think we should add a little bit more craisins? All right, let's do 2 more, you think? You get one and I get one, thank you. So we're gonna add 4 little boxes of craisins. Okay, here we go. Now Allyson, before you stir up, we're gonna add 1 more ingredient, well 2 more. We're gonna add the little sugar, because Allyson prefers the sugar over the pineapple. Let's get those pecans, please. Now, pecans are a delicacy. So you might not want to add it if you are not a pecan person. Now, I like pecans, but do you like pecans?
Yes.
Okay, well let's add a little bit. Now, granted, pecans are better if they're chopped because here again, this is not a pecan salad, it's a what?
Carrot salad.
Yeah. And we don't want any particular ingredient to be more than the carrots. So now, Allyson, we got our raisins or craisins. We have our
Pecans.
Exactly, and we have our
Carrots.
and our apples. So now let's stir it up. Now, boys and girls, everyone stirs differently, and I love observing people the way they stir. Now, Allyson's stirring a little different than I would, but I love it, you know? That's how you learn. You probably stir just like that. Now, can I help? Before we finish though, we need to put some sugar. So we have a measuring tablespoon. I love this. Okay. So you can do it by a 1/4, a 1/2, a 1/3, 1, 1 1/2, 2, and 3. All right, you get to measure 3 tablespoons of sugar and we're gonna put it in our carrot salad. Now remember, when you, okay, put a little bit more. There we go. Now shake it, there we go, good job. All right, now let's pour it in there. Now, whenever you pour, remember to pour it around the whole thing so you can evenly distribute. Now watch me. When you stir, you want to pick it up from the bottom and bring it up. Pick it up from the bottom and bring it up. See how I'm doing that, Allyson? Mm-hmm. Now, the way you were doing it, it was still effective, but it would probably take a little bit longer. And this one will get all of it moving throughout the whole thing.
You hear the nuts.
Huh?
I hear the nuts.
Yeah, you hear the nuts of a moving. Do you hear the nuts, boys and girls? Pretty loud. All right, I think this is about it. Did we miss anything? Did we have everything on the list?
I think so.
I think so too, Allyson. Now, boys and girls, I like to always put my finished product in a pretty bowl. So what I'm gonna do is put it in a nice pretty bowl and to get it ready to serve. You know my favorite thing, Allyson, to do? invite others to join me. Yes, it's so much fun. So, boys and girls, we hope you learned how to make carrot salad. And I hope you enjoyed spending time with me and my favorite friend. And I'll look forward to seeing you later. Take care. Okay, Allyson, this was so much fun. Thank you for helping me cook a carrot salad, or make a carrot salad, because we actually didn't have to cook it. We didn't use a stove. We didn't use a sharp object. We just used ingredients that you can make without a parent or without a stove or anything to harm you. So thank you. Now, there's only one thing missing. What do you think's missing? Family and friends and eating, right? So I invited a few friends. Come on, Jason, Allyson. Hey, should we invite Spider-Man back?
Yes.
Spider-Man! We wanted you to taste our delicious carrot salad.
Yes.
All right, just a little taste. Thank you. Oh, and we hope you like it. Y'all can dig in and taste it. And please grab you a juice. And
Thank you.
thank you. Did Jason get his juice? There you go.
Yep.
Well, Miss Shiela, I surely enjoyed being here today.
Oh,
And this
we
carrot
enjoyed.
salad looks awesomely fantastic. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to stick around. I got to go back to New York and fight some crime. But I'll tell you what, while I'm web slinging through New York, I'm going to eat it on the way.
Well, good seeing you, Spidey, and be careful out there.
Thank you very much, Miss Shiela.
Take care, boys and girls. Oh, wait. We're going to... Oh, he's gone just like that. Wow. He's fast. Here you go, Allyson. Ooh, ooh. All right. Let's dig in, people. And I'll take the water. Let's see how it is.
It's actually really sweet. Just real sweet.
I like it.
It's good though.
Okay.
That's how you make carrots good.
Let's make a carrot salad. Let's mix it up today. I'll get out a bowl and find an apron. We'll start without delay. Take a grater and shred some carrots. Add mayo and stir with a spoon. Add craisins, pecans, and apples too. And we will eat real soon. Let's make a carrot salad. Let's mix it up today. I'll get out a bowl and find an apron. We'll start without delay. Take a grater and shred some carrots. Add mayo and stir with a spoon. Add craisins, pecans, and apples too. And we will eat real soon. Thanks for spending this great time. Now, children, it's time to go. Thanks for watching Miss Sheila's reading show. Hope you listened and you learned, and remember all the things you heard. We hope, children, next week that you will return. See you later. Goodbye.